NP is C3 Pro Fiber Laser Cutting Machine. Dual leveling fade offer rock-solid support for stable, precise high-speed cutting. 3-point to middle ultra-wide formula for full shit processing in one pass. Welded bed structure ensures vibration resistance, high precision, and long life. High strength, lightweight gantry boosts dynamic performance and acceleration by over 30%. Dual drive gear reducers on worktable clamping enable high-speed, precise, stable operation. Refractory bricks in a bed and scrap cart control heat deformation for consistent accuracy. Fully enclosed worktable with matrix dust extraction and powerful suction clears smoke effectively. Interactive worktable design reduces load, unload time, and increases efficiency. Full sheet cutting improves efficiency, especially with more and longer contours. Features include flying cut, one-stroke flying cut, and radar scan flying cut. Dynamic settings and smart path algorithms ensure smooth, burr-free cuts on all angles. Standard configuration fits one for OHQ container for easy shipping. Hansen P Laser, metal forming and complete volumation solution provider, serving global clients across 5 continents with professional laser cutting solutions.